Hi guys, today date is 27th December 2022. Today's our topic is OOPS, difference between OOPS and POPs languages. First we discuss about what is POPs language. POPs language is nothing but the procedural oriented programming language. In a procedural oriented programming language, all program are depends on program and its interactions. In procedural programming language are divided into functions and their interactions. It's totally depend on functions. And then for example, in a C language, JavaScript, these are the language are totally depend on function. This language is called as procedural oriented programming language. This language is not used for making a complicated problem solving because of functions. Functions are not divided into many forms. But procedural programming language or structural programming language are support the parallel programming. That's why it use the gaming application, making gaming application and other fast working application. And then we discuss about what is the object OOPS programming language. In OOPS programming language is nothing but object oriented programming language. In object oriented programming language are totally depend on classes and their objects. First we discuss about what is class. Class is nothing but it is not a real time entity, but it is an instance of object. That means inside the class there are many objects. Then we discuss about what is object. Object is nothing but a real time entity which have state and behavior, or we can expose the state and behavior of the object in this by using OOPS programming language. And there are four main pillars in OOPS programming language. First one is inheritance, second one is encapsulation, third one is abstraction, and fourth one is polymorphism. We discuss about one by one. In encapsulation, we can binding the data or variable to the programming program. It is a binding of a code and data. Is called as encapsulation. It is used to the security purpose. And we discuss about second one is inheritance. Inheritance means in inheritance you can acquire all properties of a superclass to the child class. It's called as inheritance. There are 5 types of inheritance. The first one is single level inheritance, second one is multi-level inheritance, third one is multiple inheritance, fourth one is hierarchical inheritance, and last one is hybrid inheritance. And then third one is abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but you showing the functionality and hiding the implementation. Abstraction is also used for the security purpose. And fourth pillar is polymorphism. Polymorphism is nothing but one object can exhibit in many forms or different forms. It's called as polymorphism. Then we discuss about difference between OOPS and POPs language. In OOPS language is totally depend on objects and classes. POPs language is totally depend on functions. OOPS language is more secure than POPs language. POPs language is not more secure than objects oriented programming language. In OOPS language, all data are in a synchronized manner because of execution requires synchronize, because of is not execute without synchronizing or without serialization of a object of the programming. But in structural or POPs language is not require any serialization of functions. And then security. The object-oriented programming language is more secure than POPs, means procedure-oriented programming language. And last one, for example, in a Java, C++, Python, these are the languages are the object-oriented programming language. But C and JavaScript, like this language, is not a purely is not a object-oriented language. Is the structural or procedural-oriented programming language. In a structural, or most of the structural programming language are used for the gaming applications. But in a object-oriented programming is used for the major standalone applications